Gabriella's going to read David Goes to School
David goes to school.
by David Shannon.
David.
David's teacher always said,
No, David!
no yelling.
No yelling.
What else?
No pushing. No.
No running in the halls.
No money in the nose. Daddy, don't look Mommy's phone ever.
Okay.
Okay, keep going.
You tardy, David. Sit down, David.
Look at this one. Ew. What's it say?
Ew.
Don't chew gum in class.
Chew gum in class. Raise your hand, David. Keep your hands up, David. And check it. That's a tiny short. And the nose and the face. And the market.
And a potato.
And my potato.
Oh, what's this
What?
page?
What's that?
A rocket.
A rocket. And where's the potato head? Potato.
What's this one say?
Right, you turn, David.
I skipped.
I'm not here. Start it. This is over. Shh. Goodbye again. The it must mean stink that after school. Look it. It's all there.
On the desk. You're not supposed to draw on the desk.
Next.
What's this page say?
A big rabbit on it.
Yep, it's hiding. Come look over at the story. What's this page say?
Oh, I love that.
Okay, David,
David,
have you finished?
have you finished? Good job, David. Yes, David, you should go home now. His friend,
Yeah,
Roy,
his
and
friend.
the end. On the next story.
Another story?
Another story. Let's get the next story.
Let's get another story.